My dear viewers and learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class. So let's start. The subject, English third, topic, use of going to. Okay, we can say I am going to buy a shirt. He, she, it is going to drink. We, you, they are going to watch TV. So after I, we use am going to, and after he, she, it, we use is going to. After we, you, they, we use are going to. So in this way, we can use going to. Let's move forward. Use of going to. I am going to do something. That means I have decided to do it, or my intention is to do it. Like I can say I am going to do it. Saba is going to sell her car. I am not going to have breakfast this morning. I am not hungry. In this way we can use going to. We can say I am going to buy some books tomorrow. So this is my intention. What are you going to wear to the party tonight? So what have you decided about wearing to the party? A and B conversation. A said, your hands are dirty. So B replied, yes, I know. I am going to wash them. So in this way we can also use going to. And finally, are you going to invite Jamil to your party? In this way we can also use going to. Okay. For something is going to happen, we can use going to. Like, look at the sky. It's going to rain. That means the cloud is moving around and it is dark, and now it is very much clear that it is sure to rain now. So in that case we can say it's going to rain. So look at the sky, it's going to rain. Okay. So for something is going to happen, we can use going to. We can also say, oh dear, it's 9 o'clock and I am not ready. I am going to be late. So if I am not ready before the time, then I am going to be late. That is certain that this will happen. So in this way we can use going to. Okay, let's move forward. Plans with going to. We can express our plans with going to or by using going to. So let's see a passage. Here, the hospital secretary is talking to a visiting member of parliament about plans for the future. So let's see the passage. We are going to build a new word. So new word. Okay, going to build a new word unit this year. So this is plan. The builder are going to start in March. The builders are going to start in March. So are going to, because builders. Here plural number. The new unit is going to have 30 beds. Is going to have 30 beds. There will be 6 side wards with their own laboratories, a modern treatment room, a preparation room, and a sluice room. For disinfecting equipment, routine urine testing, and so on. The word sister's office is going to be very nice. So you can see going to in red color. The word sister's office is going to be very nice. It will be near the entrance so that patients won't be disturbed. We are going to use bright colors everywhere and of course low maintenance furniture and fittings. The scheme is going to cost $2,250. So is going to. Now I am going to take you to lunch. So in this way we can use going to for expressing our plans. Okay. So let's move forward. Plans with going to. We usually use going to. We usually use going to when talking informally about plans or events in the near future. So complete the following sentences with going to. I have dash a holiday next month. John meet dash her friend this evening. Mr. and Mrs. Smith visit John in hospital tomorrow. So can you complete the following sentence? Okay, let's see the answer. You can say I am going to have a holiday next month. Joan is going to meet her friend this evening. Mr. and Mrs. Smith are going to visit John in hospital tomorrow. So in this way we can use going to for expressing our plans. Okay. Complete the following sentences as well. See Mary dash an engineer. Now I examine dash you. So please take off your shirt. Who choose dash the colors for the new word unit. So you have to use going to in these sentences. Can you do it? I think you can. So let's check your answer. Answer C is going to marry an engineer. Now I am going to examine you. So please take off your shirt. Who is going to choose the colors for the new word unit? In this way we can use going to. Okay. So use of not going to. We can also use not going to. So let's see. Like we can say, I am not going to be at home next month. John isn't going to study this evening. We aren't going to operate on that passion. So in this way, we can also use going to. So I hope you have understood everything and it is very clear, and you can use going to in your daily English. So thank you. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.